So this is a turkey that I killed last year. It's gonna be a short video for you guys. I wasn't an expert recording at that time, and I'm still not good at it, but I'm learning as I go with the channel. Hope you guys enjoy it. I ended up killing a double bearded turkey. Stay tuned. After calling for about 30 minutes, on and off, I was able to pull one from the group, and he was coming towards my decoys. So it was about to get exciting, people. Over here, he was literally 8 yards from my blind. I just didn't have a clear shot. But I knew he was gonna commit all the way to the decoys because he had already walked a long distance, and he knew that my decoys were there, so I was forcing myself to be patient and giving more time to come to the open, and he finally did, and I was able to take a clear shot at that monster turkey. At this point, he was literally 15 feet from my decoys, and I was so ready to take the shot. And as soon as I had the chance, I did.
I don't know if you guys can hear, but I got that turkey. Shot him at 10 yards from the blind. He was about to get to the decoys, but I couldn't wait any longer. Really good experience.
He ended up being one of my biggest turkeys to date. He weighed 22 pounds and he had double 11 and a quarter beard, and the spurs on one side were one was 1 1/4 and the other one was a little over an inch. Big old bird. He was a nice turkey. I was so happy with it. I worked that thing really hard that morning. Like, it was really tough to separate him from the group he was hanging out with. But as soon as he crossed, the fence of my property is like 60 yards behind the blind. And as soon as he crossed the fence, I stopped calling him. And I think that's one of the reasons a lot of people don't kill turkeys, because they keep on calling even so when the turkey is already coming. So after he crossed the fence, I didn't call him ever again, and he's dead now. Okay, here we made it to the end of the video, people. Thank you so much for keeping watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe so I can keep on making these videos for you. I had a blast this morning. By 7 a.m. I had this turkey on my hands. It was so how do I say this, so rewarding to kill this turkey by myself. And I'm not a very expert calling, But until the next one, people, God bless you. Thanks for watching again.